A lot of uncertainty just entered the futures and stock market as Joe Biden has dropped out of the race. And now we have potentially Kamala Harris jumping in. Guys, the one thing that the market hates is uncertainty. And we're going to go over that in this video. But first, guys, I'm live every single day, Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. Central Time. Honestly, the vibes have been incredible on all the live streams I'm trading right here in front of you, where you see my green days, my red days, my full tilt moments. You see absolutely everything. And the guys, the conversation, the vibes have been absolutely immaculate. So if you want to just jump in, you want to join live streams, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I am live every single day, Monday through Friday. So be sure to join up and I will see you guys there. Also, be sure to smash that like button. Free way to support the channel. Absolutely free way. You tells YouTube, hey, I kind of like this guy. I want to promote his content. He's doing a good job. I'm going to smash that like button. So do me a favor, smash that like. And let's get into the video. Guys, like I said, uncertainty is in the market. And the one thing the market hates is uncertainty. So why do we have all this uncertainty? Well, you guys know that Joe Biden dropped out of the presidential race, and now it's kind of looking like Kamala Harris is going to hop in. She's getting all of these endorsements from a bunch of people. So it looks like it might be Kamala Harris replacing, but I don't know. We'll see. Now, let me know, guys, what you guys think in the comments. Are you guys for Kamala? Are you guys for Trump? What do you guys want to see in the presidential race? Are you for neither? Just curious as to what you guys think, right? So be sure to drop that down in the comments. But guys, there's a lot of uncertainty and it's causing a lot of volatility. I'm going to share my screen. We're going to go over the chart here. We also have a lot of news. We're going to go over that here after we go over the chart just for a second. Look at this. A lot of volatility, right? 20, 30 point swings in the ES, which is pretty big for the ES, right? A lot of ups and downs and backups. We have a lot of resistance up here, a lot of demand down here. It's just been an up and down major range day for the ES, which is honestly, this is a fairly big range. Right. And so this is where these volatility swings come in when there's uncertainty, right? You just had a massive news event happen in the presidential race, causes a lot of volatility. One thing that us as traders need to do and account for is this volatility. And the one way we can do that is by taking very good entries, having key levels that we're watching for and being patient, letting the market come to us on those trades. That is the one thing we have to do as traders. When we have volatility like this, we cannot get aggressive. I mean, now, if you get into a good position where it is just massively just ripping in your favor, it's okay to be aggressive and add to a winner. But we have to be careful on the trades that we take. We cannot get caught chasing, because you get caught chasing up here and look at this, account blown, right? Account blown. And trust me, a lot of accounts are going to get blown this week based on all of this uncertainty. So don't be surprised you see a lot of people blowing accounts. But the one thing that we need to do as traders is be aware of the market conditions and adapt to them. That's our job. We're not supposed to predict. We're not supposed to chase. We're supposed to just react. Let the market come to us, and we are to adapt to this type of volatility, right? That will help us prevent blowing accounts, taking good entries and good position sizing, allowing us to stay in the game long enough to catch good trends and good moments like these massive runs, right? So that's one thing we need to pay attention to as traders. Now, jumping into news, right, I'm going to pull my screen down here and we're going to jump into the news events going on today. Not really a whole lot. You have a lot of build auctions, but nothing really moving the market. But then we get into tomorrow, where we have existing home sales, which is going to move the market a little bit. That's a big news event, news number that the market's going to pay attention to. We get into Wednesday. We have the Bank of Canada rate statement that might play a little bit of volatility. But then we also have manufacturing, a little PMI. And then if you trade crude oil, we have crude oil inventories. Then we also have new home sales tomorrow at 9 o'clock Central Time. A lot of volatility going to be here in this time frame when we have all this news dropping, right? We also have a couple Fed members speaking. Fed Bowman, he might move the market a little bit, so we have to pay attention to that. But going into what is this, Wednesday? Going into Wednesday, we have jobless claims, we have durable goods, and we have GDP. All of this is going to inject a lot of volatility and a lot of liquidity into the market, so we have to pay attention to that. Going into Thursday, we have PCE and core PCE, and then we have the this is Friday. Sorry, guys. Going into Friday, we have core PCE and then University of Michigan sentiment, right? And so when I read the durable goods, that is on Thursday. Just keep in mind that is on Thursday. Make sure my dates are right here. Yeah, Thursday. So Thursday we have durable goods and all that. Friday, PCE, Michigan sentiment. This is going to be a big day. There's going to be a lot of liquidity, a lot of volatility during this. So And the other thing to keep in mind too is that we have earnings. I believe Google and Tesla are reporting this week, if I'm not mistaken. So you have not only big tech companies are reporting, you have big news numbers coming out this week, and then you have the volatility and the uncertainty around the presidential race. This week is very, very dangerous. A lot of accounts are going to get blown this week, right? So your job as a trader should be to focus on not blowing that account, taking good entries. ES running new highs actually as we speak right now. But you have to be careful. You have to trade patiently, trade small, allow trades to come to you. That's it. That's how you trade these volatile weeks. Be very, very careful, right? Like I said, this is dangerous, and one trade that you chase can immediately run against you and blow your account, right? I guarantee you, when we were up here, right, when the ES was looking like it's getting ready to run its highs, a lot of people chased up here, then look what happened. We fell off a cliff. What was that, 30 points? 30, 40 points on the ES, just absolutely fell off a cliff, right? So we have to pay attention and be careful. All right, guys, if you like this kind of content, smash that like button down below, subscribe to the channel, get more daily content. Like I said, just as a reminder, I am live every single day, Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. Central Time. So be sure to smash that like button. Help me out, subscribe. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.